reviewing the role of the clinical scoring systems in the diagnosis of acute appendicitis, an update. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Clinical scoring systems have been developed to risk stratify patients who present to the emergency department with symptoms of acute appendicitis. They are used to rule out patients with acute appendicitis and those who may require imaging in the form of ultrasound or computerized tomography. The common scoring systems are the Alvarado score, RIPASA score, AIR, and AAS. In this chapter, we will look at the common clinical scoring systems that are used for adults and children in the diagnosis of acute appendicitis. We will also look at the role of these scoring systems in diagnosing acute appendicitis and reducing the negative appendectomy rate. Introduction. Acute appendicitis is a common cause of sudden stomach pain, especially in young adults, and happens slightly more often in men. Doctors diagnose it by asking about symptoms like pain moving from the belly button to the lower right side, nausea, vomiting, fever, and loss of appetite. Tests like blood work and imaging ultrasound or CT scans help confirm the diagnosis. Clinical scoring systems, such as the Alvarado score, RIPASA score, AIR score, and Adult Appendicitis Score AAS, are important tools used in emergency rooms to decide how likely a person has appendicitis and if they need more tests. The World Society of Emergency Surgeons recommends using these scores to guide diagnosis, especially the AIR and AAS scores for adults. This chapter reviews how these scoring systems help in diagnosing appendicitis and deciding when further imaging is needed, based on a detailed review of medical studies published between 1990 and 2025. Conclusion. The clinical scoring systems have a role to play in the risk stratification of patients with suspected acute appendicitis who present to the emergency department. They can be used to rule out acute appendicitis and decide which patients will require imaging in the form of ultrasound or computerized tomography. The Alvarado, RIPASA, AIR, and AAS are the most common clinical scoring systems used. Combining these clinical scoring systems with ultrasound may be useful in resource-limited countries to increase the diagnostic ability of acute appendicitis and decrease the negative appendectomy rate. These clinical scoring systems are easy to use and can be employed in district hospitals to risk stratify patients who will present with suspected acute appendicitis. The clinical scoring systems, however, should not be used solely to diagnose acute appendicitis. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.